There is a colorful manual that comes with the kit with detailed instructions. So easy to follow step-by-step instructions. And then we have the main project. We have the CPU here and the connection diagram. Okay, let's begin the assembly. So this is the breadboard that comes with the kit. It has a battery holder. It also has a slide switch, and the breadboard has some components already fitted. We have the CPU here, which is pre-programmed to function as an intelligent traffic signal, and a push button for the pedestrian. We also have a light sensitive resistor here to sense the night time so that signal can change to low traffic mode and street light can automatically come on. So first what we need to do is to connect following these steps here. A black wire from A25, this is A25 to the negative rail. And then we need to connect a red wire from J25 to the positive rail. So these two wires will give power to the CPU. Okay, you can tidy up the wire in whichever way you wish so that it doesn't come on the way. Okay, so now all we need to do is to take the LEDs and put it in the cutout that comes with the kit so that they are properly tied and placed. Okay, so now we need to place the battery. We need Okay, now we need to place the batteries. We need 3 AA battery. This is the bottom side and this is the top or the plus side where we have the projection. So the bottom side should be pressed against the spring. And after that you can just rotate to confirm that the battery is placed. You can test the battery by taking any one LED, and the red wire should be connected to the positive rail and the black wire to the negative rail, and you slide the switch on to confirm that battery is working. And make sure that you keep the switch in the off position while you are connecting the LEDs. You can place the LED assembly like this: red, yellow, green, and also the street light here. Then the pedestrian crossing lights on the side, and you can use these ties to tie these wires properly so that it doesn't come off. So you can put the wire through the holes that are there in the cutout. Here also you can tie so that these wires are firm enough. Okay, and then you can place the cutout in front. If you want, you can apply some gum So the LEDs come out through the holes provided. You may need to adjust the LEDs a little bit so that it's aligned properly with the cutout. So this stays firm. You can place it in front of a box. Okay, so you have all these wires from the LEDs coming like this. Take the assembled board. You might find some holes on one side. What you can do is, you can take another cable tie, put it through this, okay, and place the wires like this and tie it so that the wires don't come out of the breadboard. Okay, now this stays. Pedestrian crossing switch can also be placed underneath like this, So from the front it looks like this. Okay, so the project stays stable and firm. Since you have many wires coming, it can be confusing to know which wire belongs to which. So what we need to do is, since all the red wires go to the positive rail, you can place all the red wires to the positive rail. Okay, I'm placing all the red wires in the positive rail. Okay, so there are 4 red wires which are inserted into the positive rail. Now the black wires, I will take any one black wire, place the switch on and connect it to the negative rail to see which LED is coming out. See, this is the street light. So the street light will go to H22. So I'm going to place it in H22. Okay, so next black wire I'm going to take and touch it on the negative rail to see which LED. This is green. So green black wire goes to J24. So J24. Next black wire I'm connecting to the negative rail to see which light it is. It is yellow, and yellow should go to J23. Okay, and then next black wire I'm connecting it to negative rail. That is the red one. Red LED's black wire should go to G21. So all the LEDs are connected. Now the switch, blue wire of the switch should go to A26, and the green wire should go to B25. Okay, so that is done. Now the pedestrian crossing blue wire should go to H24, and green wire should go to H21. Okay, so all the wires are connected. We can now test the project. Make sure that sufficient light is falling on the LDR. Here we have the LDR. Then only the traffic signal will work. So if you cover it, preventing light from falling on it, simulating night time, you will notice that the street light comes on and the yellow light is blinking. So if your room is not bright enough, you may need to test this using a flashlight. Okay, let's see the working of the intelligent traffic signal and automated street light and pedestrian signal. So here we have the 3 LEDs for the traffic signal. They change one after the other. And when red changes to green, there is an intermediate yellow that comes in an overlapping fashion. Same way, when green changes to red also, we see the overlapping yellow light coming on. Street light is off because this is daytime. There is sufficient brightness outside. So when you are testing it, and if you find that the street light is on, which means your room light is not bright enough, you will need to show some light on the light dependent resistor, which I will show. Okay, so the traffic signal is working, and also you see the pedestrian signal changing from red to green and green to red. But for example, if the pedestrian signal is red and you want to cross, you can press this switch. So let's see how this push switch works for the pedestrian. This push switch can help the pedestrian to signal the need to cross the road. So let's wait for the pedestrian signal to become red. Okay, now pedestrian signal is red, and supposing if you want to cross, you need to press the switch, and you will notice that within 1 second, pedestrian signal will become green. If you don't press this switch, normal pedestrian signal cycle will happen. Many countries you will see that there is a switch fitted somewhere on the pole for the pedestrian to press to interrupt the traffic and cross the road. So now let's see how nighttime is simulated. I'm going to cover the LDR with my hand. The LDR is covered. So now it's nighttime. You will notice that the street light is on and the yellow light is blinking, indicating low traffic. For that, I covered the LDR, light sensitive diode, which is here. Here we have the light sensitive diode. Just by covering that, you can simulate nighttime signal. Okay. We also have 2 modes. By connecting one wire as per the manual, you can put this into yellow blinking mode. So all the time the yellow light will only blink. Same way, by changing the wire, you can put this into red light blinking mode. Okay, congratulations. Wish you all the best. Have fun.